Saan na mong gibuild?
A construction site.
A construction site?
Yeah, in the labod in it.
What?
In labod in my construction site.
There's a labod in your construction site?
Yes! Not that scary. Panito kong nadalabod kaya ako gipatay. Ay, kan og ako giluwa. Like that. Be plus anak sa your friend.
Ano good po nagkaon kag labod?
Good.
It's not a food, be. It's dangerous.
Why? That's dangerous.
It can harm you.
And harm me? And harm me?
Yeah.
And harm me? I see. Oh, I see labod.
Oh, bantay mo kaon ka ha.
O sa labod. Di ko na ko ano ka. I-place na ako kung construction site. Kaya may mula ko sa construction site. Yan kumuduan niyo mo.
Let's go. We'll take a bath na.
Mom, ipitsura ba?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm taking videos of you.
Sana ko ba?
Okay.